Hi fellows, welcome back once again. In this second lesson, our second discussion about your, my, or our spiritual journey, we will learn everything that is actually based on the research of many seekers. I am also one of them. It's a research and study for years like me. I have spent and donated my life for this noble cause to serve humanity. And you will learn in minutes what I have learned in years with years of practice and hard work. Some people, we actually don't know their names, have given their whole lives to learn about spiritualism. They have passed on, but the world will remember their names for the sacrifices they made for us. Let me share a real-life story. John Doe from the USA used his spiritual power to heal a community affected by a natural disaster. His story has inspired many around the world. John, a humble man with a deep understanding of spiritual practices, found himself in the midst of a devastating hurricane. Homes were destroyed, lives were upended, and hope seemed distant. But John believed in the power of meditation and spiritual healing. He gathered the community, teaching them simple meditation techniques to calm their minds and find inner strength. Through collective meditation sessions, the community began to heal emotionally and spiritually. They found the courage to rebuild, the resilience to support one another, and the hope to move forward. John's dedication and belief in spiritual healing not only helped the community recover, but also spread a wave of positivity and inspiration across the globe. His story is a testament to the transformative power of meditation and spiritual practices. As we delve deeper into this lesson, keep John's story in mind. It shows us that spiritual healing is not just a concept, it's a powerful tool that can bring real change to our lives and the lives of others. Lesson 2. The importance of meditation in spiritual healing. Let's briefly introduce the topic of meditation and its relevance to spiritual healing. Meditation can help align the mind, body, and spirit, bringing about a sense of peace and balance. What is spiritual healing? Spiritual healing is a practice that involves restoring balance and harmony to the spirit. This practice can lead to profound personal growth and transformation, helping individuals achieve a deeper understanding of themselves and their place in the universe. What is meditation? Meditation is a practice where an individual uses a technique, such as mindfulness, or focusing the mind on a particular object, thought, or activity, to train attention and awareness, and achieve a mentally clear and emotionally calm and stable state. There are different types of meditation, like mindfulness meditation, which involves being present in the moment, guided meditation where someone else leads the process, and transcendental meditation, which uses a mantra or series of words to help focus the mind. Spirituality and its connection to meditation. Spirituality can be defined as a sense of connection to something greater than oneself, which often involves seeking meaning and purpose in life. Meditation serves as a powerful tool to deepen one's spiritual journey. It helps foster a closer connection to the divine or the universe, allowing individuals to explore and understand their inner selves on a much deeper level. Benefits of meditation. Meditation offers a multitude of benefits across physical, mental, and spiritual realms. Physically, it can reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and improve sleep. Mentally, it enhances focus, emotional health, and self-awareness. Spiritually, meditation can lead to a deeper connection with oneself, a greater sense of peace, and heightened intuition. These benefits collectively contribute to a more balanced and fulfilling life. All right, let's dive into the basics of how to meditate. First, you want to find a quiet space. It's really important to be in a calm and serene environment. Next, make sure you have a comfortable posture. Sit comfortably with a straight back. You can be on a chair, a cushion, or even just the floor. Now focus on your breathing. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Focusing on your breath helps to center your thoughts. As you meditate, let go of distractions. Acknowledge any thoughts that arise and gently let them go, returning your focus to your breath. Finally, set a time limit. Start with a manageable duration like 5 to 10 minutes and gradually increase as you get more comfortable. # guided meditation example. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and exhale slowly. Imagine a white light entering your body with each breath, filling you with peace and tranquility. Feel this light spreading through every part of your being, calming your mind and soothing your soul. As you continue to breathe deeply, let go of any tension or stress, allowing yourself to fully relax. Stay in this peaceful state for as long as you need, embracing the serenity and calm that surrounds you. Tips for consistent practice. Making meditation a daily habit can be incredibly beneficial. Start small, perhaps with just 5 minutes a day, and gradually increase the time as you become more comfortable. Keeping a meditation journal can also be helpful. Track your progress and note any experiences or insights you gain along the way. This practice can provide motivation and help you see how far you've come on your meditation journey. Closing thoughts. Meditation is a powerful tool for achieving spiritual healing. It's a practice that can lead to personal transformation and a deeper understanding of your spiritual essence. Whether you are just beginning or have been meditating for years, remember that each session is a step towards greater peace and self-awareness. We encourage you to share your meditation experiences in the comments below. Your journey can inspire others and create a supportive community for everyone. Call to action. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave a comment. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Stay tuned for our next lesson, where we'll dive into advanced meditation techniques. Until then, keep practicing and stay connected to your inner peace.